TIE Interceptors Spaceship Building Blocks, 1931 pieces. Experience the thrill of intergalactic assembly with the TIE Interceptors Spaceship Building Blocks. This 1,931-piece set is a perfect addition to any Star Wars enthusiast's collection, combining detailed design, high-quality materials, and intuitive assembly. Whether for display or imaginative play, this set guarantees hours of engaging fun. Features: iconic design. Inspired by the legendary TIE Interceptor, this model faithfully recreates the Imperial starfighter with intricate detailing. Impressive dimensions. Once assembled, the spaceship measures over 12.5 inches or 32 centimeters high, 16 inches or 40 centimeters long, and 13 inches or 33 centimeters wide, making it an eye-catching display piece. Eco-friendly material. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, ensuring it's safe for children and environmentally friendly. Color-coded for intuitive assembly. Clear instructions and color-coded pieces make building smooth and enjoyable, even for beginners. Perfect gift, ideal for Star Wars fans, children aged 14 and up, and anyone passionate about building blocks or collectible models. What's included? 1931 pieces building blocks, precision-made, high-quality pieces for a seamless assembly experience. Detailed instruction manual, step-by-step guidance for a stress-free build. Fast shipping, includes tracking for a hassle-free delivery experience. Why choose this set? Versatility, perfect for both display and play, appealing to collectors and young builders alike. Durability, designed with top-tier materials for a sturdy, long-lasting model. Creative fun, encourages creativity, problem-solving, and patience while delivering the joy of constructing an iconic Star Wars vehicle. Get ready to take on the galaxy with the TIE Interceptors Spaceship Building Blocks, an exceptional model that combines fun, creativity, and Star Wars nostalgia in every brick.